Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're on my channel, I'm Akanksha. So today had like a very nice morning. This week I have a lot of stuff to do. I have Sangeet also. Shrimai's brother is getting married, so his Sangeet is there tomorrow. Today I have nothing like filming wise. Quite some time after I went to Maldives and I went to Bangalore. Then I had like back-to-back filming. Today is like on a proper editing day. Start my day with like gym and everything. I'm trying to again getting back to the gym because of Pilates. I started like not going to the gym altogether because in the studio that I go to, basically I have the plan where two Pilates sessions a week, and with that you get one additional any signature session that they have. It could be aerial yoga or hatha or any type of yoga that they have, or they have mat Pilates as well. They have motor Pilates, they have bar, they have like different activities. So like that, 3 workouts in a week was done for me, but like 3 I think was not enough. I generally used to do like 4 to 5 days a week, and obviously Pilates does give you muscle, but it's like a very lean muscle, and I felt like I really do miss my gym. So with my sister now I got another trainer. Finding a trainer is so difficult, but yeah, now I got a trainer, a female trainer I have for gym for the first time. I always had male trainers, but seeing like that Pilates vibe with a female trainer, I was like, I think I need a female trainer for the gym as well, and I got her. She's pretty nice. So went to the gym. It's actually quite late now. I was just sitting and doing something, and now I was like, suddenly I'm hungry, and then I see the time and it is 1 o'clock. I was like, no wonder I'm hungry. But yeah, I just like took bath, everything. Also now I have to make food. I actually fired my cook. Fired, no, like I just basically removed her because she's coming like on a different time on her own whenever she wants. She's not having like a fixed time, and I've constantly been like warning her since a while, but she was not. So now I have to make my own food. Good job. The kitchen looks a little organized, or at least little bit, because my mom was here and she left last night. So literally everything is nicely little organized, a little neat. 2-3 days later, this is not how it's going to look. So I don't know what to make also. What do I make? I think I will make my shiitake noodles. Almost like no carbs. These are from Urban Platter, so they are made with some sort of like ingredient called Kojak flour. They are a little rubbery, but for keto, when I'm not having any carbs, or if you're on like a weight loss journey, then these noodles are a good option. Some garlic, I'm scrambling egg on the side for protein. All the veggies, whatever I have, I'm putting broccoli, bell pepper and cabbage. And this is how it looks. Yums, 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 yums. You can add any type of protein in this. I added egg, sometimes I add paneer, sometimes I add chicken. It really depends on my mood and what is available in the kitchen. You can replace the same noodles with normal noodles as well, and the ingredients, again, everything remains the same, only like the little bit of spice vagera. I'm not a pro chef, by the way. I'm a very calm chalau chef, but it's like a healthy meal for me, and it's very easy to do for somebody who doesn't cook like in a pro level. I'm now very hungry. Okay, bye.
A few inches later.
Okay, I just got ready. This is my OOTD, and I have no aesthetic corner in my house. I don't know how the mess gets created, but I just got ready to do something very exciting. I want to say guess, but obviously you cannot guess. I'm actually going to get the viral Korean hair spa. Everybody on the internet is obsessed with it. I've been seeing so many videos of it, and I am going to go get the Korean hair spa done from this salon called Anha in Hyderabad. They launched the new, I think it's a very new one, and they've launched this Korean step where like I've seen the videos. They have like this 10 to 15 step kind of routine, so I'm very excited. I don't know if it'll be good or bad, but I would love to experience. I'm going with my sister. Both of us will get it done tomorrow. I have Sangeet, so I was like, I'll anyways wash my hair, do the whole thing. So why not just go check it out and see? Hopefully, just my hair doesn't lie too flat because I want my volume to be there. But let's go and see. I'm very excited because major FOMO I had. I wanted to get the Korean hair spa, so I don't have anything to compare to, but I still can have an opinion, you know. So let's go. అనుకుంటాను ఆడియన్స్ అప్ప వచ్చింది వాళ్ళక్క ఇరిటేట్ చేస్తుంది. ఆడియన్స్ అనుకో, నువ్వు అనుకుంటాను చెప్పొచ్చు. బావ్ నేను జూమ్ వేసి ఎడిట్ వేసి మంకీ నిన్ను పక్కన పెడతాను. మధ్యన ఫోన్లో వాయిస్ రికార్డ్ అయితే లే. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ షూర్ ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ గెటింగ్ రికార్డెడ్ ఆర్ నాట్. మాకు మీరేందో నా కొబ్బరి తింటున్నాను, నాది మై కొబ్బరి, మై కోకోనట్. Two types of Korean hair spa, 15 step and 18 step. They have a lot of Korean skin facials as well. They're like with gua sha and everything. Quite interesting. And we went to this fairly new salon called Amma. They have a 15 and an 18 step Korean hair spa routine. I got the 15 step one, which starts off with like a microscopic consultation. They diagnose it and add products according to your scalp type and needs. And it follows with multiple steps like galvanic sealing brush, exfoliating, a steam mist, a neck massage, and also a relaxing suction machine on the neck. Oh my god, it feels so good. And then we shampoo the hair also, and then there's a vice grip treatment, there's a spa bed treatment. This has to be my favorite part. You put like a hot towel on your eyes and then they leave this on for 10 minutes. It's so damn relaxing. And then they again diagnose the scalp. There's again a hair growth tonic, there's infusion of something, and in the end is styling. And I'm not much into hair spa, but this honestly was so relaxing.
Hours later.
We are back home. ఎట్లా అనిపించింది చిన్ని హెయిర్ స్పా?
మనం బ్యాక్ హోమ్ లేదు, కింద సెల్లార్లో ఉన్నాం.
చెప్పు, how was the hair spa? Korean hair spa.
It's like spa.
అడిగి వేస్ట్ ఏదంటే చూడు, అదే తుప్పసలు. Okay, went home and quickly grabbed dinner. It was not quickly. I made chicken wings, which took time. But I ate my dinner and now I'm going out again for Sangeet's practice because tomorrow is Srimai's brother Sangeet and I do not know one step also. And I at least want, like she was like, at least do one song or something. They're practicing, so I'm going. It's so late in the night. But about the hair spa, guys, I had such a great experience. I actually did not think I will like hair spa as much. I was like, I didn't know if it will be any different because I'm generally not a very hair spa person. I don't do it a lot, and I believe like if I use like really nice products, then it's better I do it at home only. Like it won't be very different if I go to a salon. But oh my god, the massage they gave, the different steps, that equipment they use, and especially that scalp water thing, whatever that is called, I don't know what it's called yet, which they left on for 10 minutes and they put like a eye mask. That was so good. I literally slept. After that I was just yawning. So for me to like something, it is a lot, because most things I'm like especially in salon. So it was a great experience. I love it. My hair also feels so soft, super soft. The entire experience I feel like was great. I don't know how Korean hair spa really is, but for what this one is, it was such a good experience. It was like almost a 2-hour session. I felt I too was in bliss. The massage they gave, the equipment they used, the products, the entire experience, like I said, it was very calming, very like self-care sort of thing. I too also really liked it, and what they call it, it's amazing. I love the Korean hair spa. But now let's go do dance practice.
20 minutes later.
Ayo, aga.
3, 2,
Did you switch this off?
అరే అందరూ వచ్చిండ్రు గారు బర్త్డేకి ఇప్పుడు దించరా ఫోటో
Starting లో చదువు. Hey, nice coordination.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I'm not sure if I started this vlog as a week, but I feel like there's too much content in this to make it like more longer. So I think I'll end it here, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. I hope you guys enjoying watching my vlogs. I'm going home now. So ta-ta, bye.